So hello everybody, once again welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in this video I cover what is the assignment operator in the C language. So let's start. What is the assignment operator? So in the C language we have five type of the assignment operator. First one is the additional assignment. So if you want to adding sub value, so in the here you can say that if I want to add this value in the I want to a equal to a plus b. So instead of writing the a equal to a plus b, I simply write a plus equal to b. So both are the same. So this is all about the assignment operator. Instead of writing this, you can use this. So this is, instead of writing this, you can use this. So this is all about the assignment operator. So in the C language we have the five types of assignment operator. First is additional assignment, the second one the subtraction assignment, third one the multiplication assignment, fourth is the division of assignment, and last one is the modulo assignment. So let's start. So I go to my VS Code and write the how to work with the assignment operator. So if you are not watching my previous video where I covering the arithmetic of assignment, so you can first watch my arithmetic assignment. So after watching my arithmetic assignment video, you can better understand what how to work the assignment operators. So let's start. I write first, I create one files, assignment dot c. Here first I include the library which name is studio studio.h. After that I'm creating the main method, and in the main method first let's suppose I give the one simple common problem. In we have one variable where which value is a and a equal to 10, but instead of I want to add in the a variable some particular 5. I want to add in the 5 in the a variable. So what I will do, a equal to a plus 5. So automatically in the a, if I print it, so you can say in the a in the a value is updated, and after adding 5, the value of the a is 15. So if I run it, sorry, here is give me some little bit what's here, they give some little bit mistake. What's mistake? Run it. Yeah, I don't say sorry. So here you can see 15 is printed. So this is all about the assignment operator. Here I'm simply write the a equal to a plus b. So instead of writing a equal to a plus b, is simply what I do, I simply write plus equal to an a plus b, and so save it and run it. So you can say 15 again printed. So this is all about the assignment operator. Instead of writing a equal to a plus 5, you can simply write a plus equal to 5. So this is all about the assignment operator. This is our additional assignment. If I use the let's if I use subtraction assignment, to simply write the first minus equal to in the 5, and after then save it and run it. So you can see my output is 5. So this is all about the subtraction assignment. So, and after that we have another one is multiplication assignment. So simply write the star equal to 5 and control s. So you can say 50 is printed, and we have another one is one division assignment, and after then I simply run it. So you can say 2 is printed, and after then I simply use the modulo, and you can say the 0 is printed. So this is all about our assignment operators. So let's give the brief description so you can also clear about this. Instead of writing a equal to b, I write the simply command so you can better understand. Instead of writing a plus b, I simply write write plus equal to 5. Instead of writing a equal to a minus 5, I simply write a minus equal to 5. Instead of writing a equal to a into 5, a to 5, simply write a star equal to 5. And instead of writing additional division, a equal to a mod 5, you simply write a a, a equal to 5. And instead of writing a equal to a modulo 5, we simply write a mod equal to 5. So this is all about our this is all about our assignment operator. Let's I give the one another example where we are using the variables. Here I'm using first one is the variable, second one is the second one is the value. So I simply give the two value, simply write the two value. What I'm doing, instead of writing int, let's suppose int sum equal to no, not sum, int a equal to 10 and int b equal to 20. I want to add in the a value with b. So if I write a equal to a plus b, so in the a 30 is 30 value is the added. But instead of writing this one, I simply use this a equal to a plus equal to b and print it. So you can see, sorry, so I simply printed percent d, sorry, percent d and a value. Let's comment this because he'll give me the error. So control s and run it. So you can just see the output in the console, 30 is printed. So this is all about the assignment operators. So here I also give this all the example. Instead of writing this one same as the this one, same as the this one, and same as the this one, and all the things. So I hope you enjoy this video. So if you enjoy, if you like learn something in this particular video, so please like this video, share with your friend, and also subscribe my YouTube channel. So thank you.